Apparently there's a gas and oil museum in town here.
Yeah, the actual big rig.
Yes.
Tourist centre's got all that at it, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I thought it might have been just a whole lot of pipe sticking out of the ground.
Let's set the stage and come and go country. Part of the Mariner's proud history. Let's set the stage and come and go country. Part of the Mariner's proud history. And this is come and go.
I'm out at the airport at the Roma Aero Club. This is an awesome spot for visiting aircraft. There's tables, chairs. It's available for use by visiting pilots. There's an area outside that you can use for planning and having a bit of lunch if you want to have a break while you're here. It is a great little spot. There's BP and IOR here as fuel providers, and BP only take cards, and I'm not sure about IOR, but the Aero Club can also potentially provide you with fuel through their BP card. You just need to call the secretary, Cole, and see if you can organise it. Yeah, I'm flying up to the Whitsundays.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
You catching up with anyone, or?
I'm going sailing with a mate for a week.
Yeah, so just you up there, is it?
Yeah, Nikki's flying up and meeting me. She couldn't get away early.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Yeah, so she's
cool.
yeah. We're just about ready to rock and roll. We are heading to Rolleston, which is only just about an hour's flight time from where we are here in Roma. I've just filled her up on the main tanks. I'm not worrying about the tip tanks at the moment. Yeah, we're going to be flying over Carnarvon Gorge on the way, doing a slight detour. We're going to sit at around 6,500 because it'll be above the bumpy layer. On a final note, I'd just like to say that everyone that I've met in Roma have been amazing. Really nice coffees in town. The Villa Caravan and Cabin Park were outstanding, and Dusty from the Aero Club came and met me and helped me fill up with fuel, and said any pilots are welcome to come and enjoy the outdoor facilities at the Aero Club. They are fostering a really welcoming environment here as well. So let's get in and let's go. We have left Roma and we're heading north. And we're heading towards Carnarvon Gorge and the mountain range around Carnarvon Gorge, and then we're going to land at Rolleston, which isn't far beyond it. So once we get over the gorge, we're going to do some descending turns as we get closer. It's only a short hop today to Rolleston. I'm not in any rush. I'm going to just enjoy the flight in, and then tomorrow we cross the Great Divide Range and end up on the other side of the range near Mackay, and then Proserpine, and then into Chute Harbour. I catch up with a buddy called Adrian who is a chef and had an awesome restaurant in Airlie Beach. So we're just getting towards the Carnarvon Gorge region. It looks pretty amazing. There's not only Carnarvon Gorge, but there's gorges everywhere. A lot of it's probably hardly been explored, or if it has been, a very long time ago. It's going to be bumpy over the ranges as well, which is expected, but it's a rough road. Rolleston traffic. Bonanza Lima Charlie is 20 miles to the southwest. 4,700 on descent. Circuit at 27 Rolleston. Traffic, Bonanza Lima Charlie is joining midfield crosswind at runway 14 full stop, Rolleston. Rolleston traffic, Bonanza Lima Charlie turning downwind at runway 14 full stop, Rolleston. Brake pressure check, park brake off, undercarriage down, and green and down, exit pulley ridge, fuel pump off, landing light on, hatches and harnesses secured. I saw some power lines at the end and I wasn't sure if they were going across the back of the field, so I made that a bit of a steep one, but we came down okay. Here at Rolleston, and had a good flight in. It's a bloody nice little town. It's so nice to be in an environment where it's actually warm during the day as well. It was a little bit bumpy, but so be it, that's what it is. Town is about a 3-minute walk behind me, and I'm looking forward to checking into the hotel, I might have a shandy and get a pub meal tonight, which will be really lovely. So yeah, it's a lovely little spot. Finally got the plane shut down after having endless phone calls with friends who put up with me. Poor bastards. I've noticed a few little ant nests on the ground while I've been walking. There's a cricket ball as well. Nice cricket ball. And I wonder if any of the ants are fire ants. I haven't asked that question yet to see if they have fire ants in this town. It's a bit of a cattle grid, and I'm going to delicately walk across, made out of railway tracks. You'll see it probably in a sec. Maybe. Probably not. Probably 22 degrees in here at the moment. It's beautiful. So nice to be out of that cold weather from down in Victoria. It's a Queenslander house over there, I'm just going to show you, which looks pretty nice. It's got some beautiful stained glass windows. It's a very quiet town. I was probably talking so loud before at the airport that the whole town could hear what I was saying. I'm probably thinking, that guy speaks a lot of shit. That's what I'd be thinking if I could hear him. Apparently I've got to turn right at the next street and or walk through the park where the coffee van is. I don't know where that coffee van is. And then turn left at the next street and walk down the street to the pub. Someone offered me a ride before. Apparently they knew me from Flying Australia. No horses in the fenced area, but you can have horses in the unfenced area. There's a dunny, which to some of you that don't understand what that is, it's a toilet. And the coffee cart takes cash only, and I will get a coffee from it tomorrow. Well, there's an original old wooden building and an old homestead. It's like a little model place. Let's go and check this out. It's called the Porepunkah Hut. I thought Rolleston was just going to be a little place in the middle of nowhere with nothing, but there's actually interesting history here. Some old hut items. I probably still have some of those things that I use to this day when I go camping. There's some information about the local indigenous culture here, which is pretty cool. Carnarvon people. So, first thing I noticed when I got to the, can you go that way? Oh yeah, go that way. Got to the pub was it says topless barmaids. So, I don't know when that's going to happen. Will that be at dinner time, which is at 5? I don't know, but it'll be interesting. I've never been to a bar that does that before. And we're in room number 4. Nice. Wonder if there's any heating.